A woman will never walk up and boldly say that she has chosen you and demand a kiss. That is not how attraction usually unfolds. Instead, many women communicate interest through subtle physical signs, signals that often go unnoticed. These signs are a kind of unspoken language that sends a clear message: I'm interested, and now, it is your turn to make a move. If those signals are ignored, they usually are not repeated. She will simply shift her attention to someone who understands them. Research published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that women often display multiple signs of attraction before a man consciously notices even one. In fact, studies indicate that several signs may be sent before the first is noticed. By the time you start wondering whether she might like you, she may have been expressing it through her body language for quite a while. One of the most revealing signals is her hands. While facial expressions and tone of voice can be controlled, hands tend to act more honestly. They often reveal feelings a person may not even realize they are expressing. Yet many men overlook these subtle movements and misinterpret them as simple friendliness when they may carry a completely different meaning. Understanding these signs can dramatically change the way you interpret interactions. Once you become aware of them, you may start noticing them everywhere, at cafes, at work, on dates. From that point on, understanding interest becomes easier. The real question becomes whether you will respond confidently. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand which hand gestures mean, I'm interested, which ones are practically saying, kiss me now, and which signals mean you've already missed your chance. Stay with me through every point, because the final one matters most. It is the difference between the men who end up with the girl and the ones who leave confused about where they went wrong. 1. The hair and neck gesture. Many women instinctively touch their hair when they feel attracted to someone. However, there is a difference between casual fidgeting and intentional signaling. When she gently touches her hair near her face and allows her hand to trail slowly down toward her neck or collarbone, that lingering motion can be meaningful. Slowing the movement draws subtle attention to the neck, an area associated in psychology with vulnerability and trust. Exposing it can signal comfort and openness. Dr. Monica Moore of Webster University spent thousands of hours observing social interactions and found that hair touching combined with neck exposure ranked among the most consistent signs of attraction in women. If she repeatedly performs this slow, deliberate motion while speaking with you, it may be more than nervous energy. Ignoring it, or failing to respond with engagement, can sometimes lead her to assume the interest is not mutual. 2. The object caresses. Another subtle behavior involves lightly tracing fingers along an object, a wine glass, coffee cup, or menu. Psychologists refer to this as object displacement. When direct touch feels socially premature, the desire for physical connection may be redirected onto something nearby. Studies from the University of Manchester found that tactile displacement behaviors increase significantly when someone is around a person they find attractive. What may appear as idle fidgeting could actually reflect heightened desire and attraction. It is easy to misread this as boredom or distraction. In reality, the object may simply be standing in for a connection she is not yet comfortable initiating directly. 3. The arm touch. When a woman intentionally touches your arm during conversation, it often signals a meaningful shift. Physical touch requires stepping beyond personal space boundaries, so it is rarely accidental. A light hand on your forearm while laughing or a gentle tap on your shoulder to emphasize a point can serve as a way of testing comfort and mutual interest. At that moment, she may be gauging your response. Do you lean in? Do you subtly reciprocate? Or do you withdraw? Your reaction communicates just as much as her gesture. Attraction frequently operates beneath the surface, expressed through body language rather than direct statements. When you begin to notice the patterns, interactions become clearer, and you gain the opportunity to respond with confidence rather than confusion. Research published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that a gentle touch during a conversation can raise perceived attractiveness by about 50% for both people involved. In other words, when she lightly touches you, she is not only hinting at her interest, she is also increasing her own appeal in that instant. Women often understand the impact of this gesture. A soft touch on the arm can be one of the most strategic and effective signals in social interaction. If she touches your arm once, she may be intrigued. If it happens twice, her interest is likely stronger. If it happens repeatedly and you still do nothing, she may start wondering whether you are even paying attention. 4. The palm flash. When a woman shows her open palms while speaking, gesturing with her hands facing upward, resting them on the table that way, or deliberately handing you something palm up, she is signaling openness and trust at a subconscious level. In contrast, closed fists, hidden hands, or palms turned away often communicate caution or reserve. Open palms send a silent message: I'm comfortable. I have nothing to hide. Evolutionary psychologists suggest this behavior dates back to early human history, when displaying open hands indicated peaceful intent and the absence of weapons. So when she speaks with animated, open palm gestures, it is not just expressiveness, it can reflect a deeper sense of comfort and receptiveness. What makes this especially compelling is that most women are not consciously planning it. She is not thinking about positioning her palms in a certain way. Instead, her body responds naturally when she feels safe and attracted, revealing trust without deliberate effort. Hand contact takes things even further. If she finds a reason to touch your hand, comparing hand sizes, jokingly reading your palm, or letting her fingers brush yours as she passes something, she is signaling a clear level of comfort and interest. Hand-to-hand contact is among the most intimate forms of non-romantic touch, partly because the hands contain a dense network of nerve endings. When fingers meet, both brains release a small surge of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. That shared sensation creates a brief but powerful connection, and she is aware of it. This is where many men misread the moment. She creates a small but charged point of contact, and instead of letting it linger naturally, he pulls away too quickly. The connection fades just as fast as it formed. If she touches your hand, remain steady. Do not jerk away or rush the moment. Allow the contact to exist calmly for a beat longer. Holding that space with quiet confidence shows comfort with closeness and connection, and that composure can be incredibly attractive. And finally, consider wrist exposure, one of the most understated yet powerful signs. The inner wrist is delicate and vulnerable, with thin skin and visible veins. When a woman reveals her inner wrist, resting it upward on a table, adjusting a bracelet so it stays in view, or turning it toward you while leaning on her hand, she may be expressing deep comfort and trust. From an evolutionary perspective, exposing vulnerable areas of the body signals safety and acceptance. It is an unconscious way of saying, I trust you. Dr. David Givens of the Center for Nonverbal Studies has written about how wrist exposure often aligns with romantic interest. Because it stems from instinct rather than calculation, it can be one of the hardest signals to fake, and one of the clearest signs that genuine attraction is present. If you are on a date and notice that her wrists are frequently turned toward you, relaxed, visible, and unguarded, understand what that means. She is offering something meaningful. By exposing such a vulnerable area, she is signaling that she feels comfortable in your presence and trusts you enough to lower her defenses. But if you pick up on that signal and do nothing, if you don't lean closer, reach for her hand, or move the moment forward, you risk dismissing the very trust she just extended. When a woman feels that her openness has gone unnoticed, she's unlikely to offer it again, at least not to the same person. Here's the crucial part: these signals are temporary. They don't last forever. She may test the waters with one gesture, then another, and perhaps a third. If she receives no response, no warmth, no acknowledgement, no subtle progression, she will withdraw them just as quietly as she offered them. And once they disappear, they rarely return. This scenario plays out all the time. A woman makes her interest known through small but clear cues, while the man remains unsure or hesitant. Eventually, she retreats. Her hands return to her lap. Her posture shifts away. She reaches for her phone. Moments later, he is left confused, wondering why the mood changes. The changes happened because she revealed her intentions, and the man failed to respond. There is a window of opportunity, and it begins the moment she sends the first sign. Meet it with confidence, warmth, and reciprocal touch, and that window stays open. Wait too long, and it closes softly, so quietly that you may not even realize it happened until the opportunity is gone. Consider the signs: fingers brushing through her hair and lingering at her neck, absent-mindedly tracing objects, light touches on your arm, open palms, fingertips grazing your hand, and wrists exposed. Each of these gestures can be a silent way of saying, "I'm interested." Your role is to respond, not just with words, but with action. A return touch. A hand gently held. A kiss that communicates, "I noticed, and I'm here." Think back to a time when you felt a connection but hesitated. Replay that memory. Did she show any of these signals? Chances are, she did, and chances are, uncertainty held you back. Now that you understand the pattern, the next time you see those signs, respond. Knowledge only matters if you use it. Don't allow another opportunity to slip away. The real commitment isn't to any video or advice, it's to becoming someone who doesn't freeze when the moment calls for confidence. And remember, what her hands reveal is only part of the picture. Sometimes, what matters even more is what she allows you to do with yours.